Let's compose a script with some useful functions in it. We can describe compound interest as a value a resulting from an initial value a0 affected by the result of annual interest compounded over a number of periods n. We're going to create a file, interest.py. Depending on the system that you're on, there may be multiple ways to create text files. Notepad or TextEdit may be preferred on a Windows or a Mac system, for instance. Go ahead and open your text editor, write your program, and save it as interest.py. You'll notice that the text editor detects the kind of file it is and highlights everything as if it were part of Python. This is called syntax highlighting. If I'm in the same directory as interest.py, I can simply import things from it as I would any other module. So in this case, from interest, I've imported days, and I've run that package. I could also use import interest and then access the functions inside of interest.py as interest.presentAmount, interest.days, etc. You'll notice that here I'm using an older version of creating formatted strings. F strings are completely acceptable and should be preferred.